Hello, first grade mathematicians, and welcome back to your math job for today. We will be doing lesson 1.2 in your GoMath workbook. Our target skill for today is I can use objects to show adding to. So, yesterday we used pictures. Today we are using objects. And all that means, boys and girls, is we are going to use some cubes. If you have this sheet, all of you have this sheet, if you would like to color the squares and cut them out and use them for cubes, you may do that. If you have Legos or building blocks or any sort of cube at home, you may use that as well. So we are going to use our objects to show adding to. And we know what that word means. Addition is taking two parts and putting them together, add them up, more is better. All right, boys and girls, do it with me one more time. Addition is taking two parts and putting them together, add them up, more is better. So let's take a look at our examples today. There are 5 children on the playground. 2 more children join them. How many children are on the playground? All right, this is a story problem, so I'm going to have to find the math. Did you find the math while I was reading it? It said there are 5 children on the playground. Then 2 more children join them. There's that math million-dollar word, 2 more children. So, let's build it with our blocks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children on the playground. And 1, 2 more children join them. These are our 2 parts, boys and girls. I like to use different colors to help me tell my parts apart, to help me tell that I have 2 different parts, so that I know 5 and 2 more. So then how many all together? We can count our blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 and 2 make 7 children. Now, mathematicians, we are going to make a math sentence today. Wait. I know what you're thinking. Miss Rossman, sentences don't belong in math class. But they do, first graders. Today, you and I are going to write an addition sentence. And this is what it looks like. You take your first part, 5. You add it to your second part. For this problem, it's 2. And then it is equal to your whole. So in this example, it is 7. So, how do we read this addition sentence? Do you know? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Equal to 7. And what this means, boys and girls, is that everything on this side is the same as everything on this side of the equal sign. Say it for me. Equals. Say it with me. Is equal to. You can even throw your arms up if you'd like. Equal. When I see an equal sign, it means that both sides are the same. So, 5 and 2. Is it the same as 7? It is, because 2 parts make 1 whole. We put them together. So, let's look closer at this addition sentence, boys and girls. So, when you addition sentences today, you are going to say, plus is equal to and the whole all together is called the sum. So practice with me, boys and girls. Read it at home. Plus is equal to All right, let's do another example. 4 turtles and 2 more turtles. All right, boys and girls, I'm not going to draw turtles today. I'm going to use cubes to show my addition problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4 turtles. And 2 more turtles. 1, 2 more turtles. How many turtles all together? Count your blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles all together. So boys and girls, will you read this addition sentence for me at home? 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Or we could say 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, let's do our next example. This is a story problem, so help me find the math first graders. Amelie draws 2 pictures. She draws 1 more picture. Then she draws 2 more pictures. How many pictures did Amelie draw? She was busy drawing pictures. Let's build the math problem with your blocks. So first, we saw that Amelie draws 2 pictures. So let's build that, boys and girls. 1, 2 pictures. Then we saw she drew 1 more picture. Let's build it with our blocks. 1 more. Then she draws 2 more pictures. Let's build it. 1, 2 more pictures. How many pictures did she draw all together? Now, boys and girls, do we have just 2 parts in this addition? No, we have 3 parts. So buckle up, mathematicians. This is some big math. We are going to add 3 parts together. So our first part is 2 plus our next part is 1 plus our third part is 2 more. So we are going to add them up to find what they are equal to, what the sum is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together, Amelie drew 5 pictures. Kiss your brains, first graders. We're moving to our next example. So, our last example today, boys and girls, we don't have numbers here. So we will not be adding numbers. Or will we? We are going to use the pictures to find our math problem. So, I see a group of triangles. I see a group of circles. A group of hearts. Another group of circles. Another triangle. And another group of hearts. So, it is asking me, this addition sentence, math detectives, is saying, how many hearts, or hearts, plus hearts, equals hearts in all. So, I see one group of hearts has 1, 2 hearts. So that's one heart. My second group of hearts has 1, 2, 3 hearts. So how many hearts do I have in all? I have 2 hearts plus 3 hearts equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts in all. All right, mathematicians, it's your turn. And good luck writing those math sentences today.